Today, we'll explore smart home technology through Amazon Alexa. This handy device can make life simpler and more efficient. Let's break it down into easy steps. First, what does Alexa do? Alexa is a voice-controlled assistant. You can ask it to play music, control lights, or provide weather updates. Next, how does it work? Alexa uses smart speakers like Echo. These speakers listen for your commands. Once you say Alexa, it wakes up and is ready to help. Now, let's connect it to smart devices. Start with Wi-Fi. Connect your smart devices to the same network. Now, tell Alexa to discover devices. It will find compatible devices and link them. For example, say Alexa, turn on the lights. Instantly, your lights brighten. You can also create routines. For instance, say good morning, and Alexa can turn on lights, play news, and brew coffee. To sum it up, Alexa simplifies daily tasks. You can control many devices with simple voice commands. It's about convenience and making home life easier. Ready to upgrade your home? Explore Alexa's capabilities today. Make your life smarter, one command at a time.